Express, ready to go at ready na bang pa-party?
Yes!
Manalo ng prize!
Pwede!
Ready na bang manalo sa raffle?
Oo!
Ako, mukhang medyo maganda ang gawin natin ngayon. Of course, we have everything in store for you throughout the evening.
As your, as they say, official alcoholic. May I ask everyone to stand, hold your glasses, whether it's whiskey, wine, vodka, gin, beer, or iced tea, or water. So, to all of AWS employees, for the achievements of this year, for all your contributions and hard work,
Sado pala naka-zoom.
and for a brighter future, for the brighter new year coming your way. Let us offer a toast. Kampai! Thank you very much and good evening. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Nakalasing? Nakalasing.
Thank you very much again. A big round of applause.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
It's a time for happiness, but for me, it's also
Naka 4K
a
to.
time to reflect and a time to appreciate people around us, and
Good job!
everyone.
Good job! Good job! Good job!
The management team, we really did it. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Looking back at the motion,
Good job!
and even the engineer who was able to bring about what we wanted this year in the organization. We wanted a lot of change. There was a big organizational change. There were new roles to be fulfilled. Deadlines. Let's set aside the meetings and let's just enjoy each other's company. Let's appreciate our achievements
year ni Kev.
Table number 28. 28. Nasaan mo 28? Nasa yung 28, tayo na po.
Jenner! Tinatanong ka ni ano, kumusta ka daw?
Next table. Table number.
Ni ano?
Number 10. Okay, tingnan po sila. Alright.
Uy, say hi. Ito nga.
Ginusto ko yan.
Miss Emma, sige, say hi.
Wala sa oras. Okay. Dahil kayo mga kapatids, this time, we have Richie Always Special. Richie Mixer. Yes, ito bracket natin.
Uy, mananalo si Sir Mike.
Isa pa.
Wala ba? Ganda.
From them, Papa, Alabang, Maria Patricia Isabel Fernandez. Grocery package. Grocery package naman yung susunod. Kanina na ako natin electric fan. Ito naman grocery package. Ang nanalo bro at hair dryer.
Ba't hindi ako nanalo?
Last two. Power bank naman. Power bank. Power bank. Ang unang power bank papapunta kay from them to
Uy, wala din.
Damasi. Nasaan? Dito? Timur. Ito muna. Next table naman natin. 35. 35. Pili na po. Next table. 14. 14. Pili na. Kailan kaya ito sa mga
Oo naman. Dati kong bumaba. Huli kayo sa akto. Uy, pagpunas mo din ako, kita ko sa video. Uy, wag na lang. Hindi ko. Uy, ako, magpunas mo ako. Punas na.
Ito sa'yo sir, para maliit yung ano.
Thank you. Go! Louie!
Alright, good evening again ladies and gentlemen. Tuloy lang po tayo sa kain. Yung mga nakapila, kain lang po tayo. Of course, while we continue on with our celebration, tuloy pa rin po ang ating pamimigay at
Actually, nag-reunion kami. Sa asawa mo. Ngayon pa siya naging mahihain, tayo-tayo lang. Okay.
numero 20.
One, two, three. Cyclops, ikaw ba yan?
At
Babae naman. Ano ba yan? Sa gisa. Basta kayo!
Dito, Peter.
Say hi!
Asan ang wings ko? Where's the wings?
Ano may ano ba?
Congratulations to Miss M. Duo and Mr. Mike Sayan! Please join me on stage. Miss M. Duo and Mr. Mike Sayan, please join me here. You are our faces of the evening. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Ano? Woke up like this. At tagay naman! Go, Miss M!
Pag-isip ni Miss F,
May ano?
may laway. Nakagising lang yun. Sabihan.
Please take the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, your faces of the evening, Miss M. Duo and Mr. Mike Sayan!
Wala si Tunog eh. Hindi ko narinig eh.
Parang sad boy.
Sad boy naman. Kaya di ako na.
Take a picture, smile.
Oh, say hi. Say hi.
There you go. I'm just gonna hand over your prizes here. Thank you as well. And congratulations. Para naman natin sila ulit. Look at that. Absolutely good. Looks this evening. Thank you so much. Grabe. Walang tatalo, no? Taro bang tat.
Congrats, Miss
Hello, good
M!
evening, everyone. I just make this short. I just would like to update everyone about the results or the outcome of
Sir, paano masasabi nyo nanalo kayong Face of the Night?
our live poll.
Kasi tulog pa siya noon.
So, with all
Pagising ni Lisa, panaginip ba to?
donated cash and have pledged their donations, we were able to collect 81,400 pesos. Not only because we recognize that we are blessed, but also because we recognize that we were blessed.
Ribbon of the night, Miss
That we
Ann.
can give and support others who just survive.
Doko, sa...
Missionaries of
Ano yung sabi mo na ayaw mo na?
things, and also they would like to let us know that
Mas matapang yan kaysa doon sa pula.
the PWD, elderly, and children, during that time, they were very happy with the time that they spent with them, with the short time that they spent with them, and they look forward to our visits often because sometimes it makes them happy when people visit them just to talk to them, just to be with them for a few.
자, 이 사람. 어지러? 원하? 원하? So, okay, this is 이 사람. So, if you, all of you contribute more next year. If you contribute next year more, then more. Okay? For this year, is that? Oh, wala?
One or none? One. Isa lang. Okay.
Isa lang.
One very special winner for tonight.
What's up? What's up, guys? Bakit? Natawa. Kamusta yung mga
So inside the door,
mga
slide open.
nanonood namin dyan, ha? Mga subscribers. Please